Undoubtedly deserving of our recommended award, the Notebook 9 proves that Samsung's efforts in the laptop space are paying off. By giving us another powerful laptop brandishing discrete graphics that dies in 9 hours instead of 3, Samsung has set the bar high for competing Windows 10 laptop makers. Editor's note: what follows in this review is our impressions of the 2017 Samsung Notebook 9, 15-inch, model. For our thoughts on the latest version, read our Samsung Notebook 9 review for 2018. Last summer, the Samsung surprised us with its Notebook 9 Pro, a 2-in-1 laptop that will be lauded for years to come for not only its versatile design, but for its long-lasting battery and flattering looks as well. This year, that same Seoul-based tech conglomerate has come out with a version of its award-winning Samsung Notebook 9 Pro for fans of traditional laptop form factors, the Samsung Notebook 9. Usually when we see non-Pro variants come out of our favorite notebooks hit the shelves, it means only one thing: a model that's been knocked down, performance-wise, for the sake of economic viability. That's not the case with the Samsung Notebook 9, a, dare we say, Ultrabook that retains the joys of the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro while taking away its ability to transform into tablet mode. Unfortunately, however, it is bafflingly more expensive than its professional-grade counterpart. For $1,399, about £989, $1,725, the Samsung Notebook 9 can be yours. As it's being sold in only one configuration, and one that's available uniquely to the US at that, what you see is what you get from this laptop. Then again, that isn't necessarily a bad thing considering the sheer value packed into the Samsung Notebook 9's all-aluminum body. That ostensibly lofty price tag nets you everything you see in the spec sheet to the right. That's pricier than the previous generation Samsung Notebook 9, and confusingly enough, it costs more than the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro, too. That's right, at $1,299, about £1,000, $1,720, the similarly spec'd 15-inch Samsung Notebook 9 Pro, touchscreen, 360-degree convertible display and all, is cheaper than the Samsung Notebook 9, though there are some key design differences between the two laptops we'll get to momentarily that may very well justify the $100 premium. Otherwise, the Samsung Notebook 9 falls somewhere between the Lenovo Yoga 720, 15-inch, and Dell XPS 15 in terms of pricing. Whereas the former comes equipped with an Intel Core i7-7700HQ, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of SSD space.